Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. So since in the last Assistant d'Anglais video we talked about Professor Referent, who is Professor Referent, what is the role of Professor Referent in your Assistant de la Longue life. So without any further ado, allons-y, shall we? But wait, there's one more thing which you will see in this video, that is the accommodation part of living in France. And there can be times when the Assistant has totally exhausted all the logement or accommodation options provided online or through some or the other link. So I have one tip for you which you can use and get your visa sorted and get your accommodation sorted, but it's not a full-fledged solution, so it will get you till this point, and then you have to figure out. You will know what I'm talking about once we get to the accommodation part. But first, let me just open my email and let's start with the conversation that I initiated with my Professor Referent while looking at the chain of email in my phone. So once you get your arrêté de nomination, they will ask you to just go through the arrêté, the offer letter, and see if there is any major mistake or there is any correction to be made. And mere case mein it was because we have Indian addresses and they are not the easiest to pronounce or write, so they misspelled my address, and I pointed that out, which is basically not exactly of that importance, but it's better कि अपनी side से you keep that sorted, and also make a separate folder in your laptop, in your hard drive, pen drive, whatever you are using at the moment. इसमें you will be collecting all the documents which you will be needing before applying for the visa and during your stay in France. So I'm opening the email conversation with my Professor Referent, and it's quite long. मुझे थोड़ा ऊपर जाना है. At first I introduced myself that I'm Bhavna and I have been posted in Academy de Nice and all that. जो भी basic चीज़ें अपने बारे में you think this new person should know, who is your Professor Referent and colleague and maybe friend if that person is friendly enough. I'll give you one example what I also mentioned in my first mail. Je voudrais savoir si vous pouvez m'aider à trouver logement près du lycée, même si c'est juste une chambre dans l'établissement de l'école, ce qui ne me coûte pas beaucoup. Je préfère d'avoir un séjour gratuit s'il est possible. Je souhaite d'économiser le plus que possible. Wow. मतलब it totally sounds like how desperate I am to save money and travel and just have my accommodation sorted, which we all are. That's totally fine. And then I got one reply from my Professor Referent in 3 days. So I sent this mail on 19th of June. That was the first mail I sent, and I got a reply on 24th of June. And the reason I'm also sharing the details like dates and all, so that you can just do your math कि कितना time लग सकता है in order to get a response. Okay, and to my surprise, my Professor Referent, she replied in full-on English. She introduced herself जैसे मैंने किया, and then she gave me a little backdrop of lycée or the age of students I'll be teaching, and she also gave me a little a tour, a virtual tour of the campus. The school is very large, including many sports facilities and parks. It sort of looks a little bit like a university campus, and it's quite pleasant. Some students are boarders but have to go home for the weekends. Unfortunately, there is no extra room for assistant. So you can see मुझे एक तो no मिल गया था because मैं ये पूछना चाह रही थी if there is any extra space or extra room or facility जिसमें मैं लीसे के अंदर ही रह सकूँ. So that was a no. तो मुझे एक red signal मिल चुका था. But at the same time, she was kind enough to write this as well. I will ask for information and send you the address of people you can get in touch with to find some accommodation in the vicinity of the school. I'm sure everything will be alright, and I hope you enjoy your stay in Toulon, which I did a lot. Okay, so ये conversation थोड़ी आगे चलती रही, and then we just kept on replying to each other's mail. We'll just jump to the part when I got the logement options. So she sent me there is this place. So I contacted this person. इसकी photos बहुत अच्छी थी. It was a proper villa. But as you know, I did not stay in the villa. I was living in an apartment which was good enough, spacious enough. Okay, ignore the mess behind me or on my left or right. Just ignore it because we are just using this part of the room. and I had no time to clean it up because I was having a very weird kind of feeling, which we all are, especially Abhi. So making a video always helps because content heals the content creator, but not deviating from the topic. Okay, so this Lojmo option, isme there was another assistant who was already living there, that was from Spain. So these are the pictures. Pretty decent, बहुत अच्छा सा room था. Then couloir, and then kitchen, dining area, microwave, everything was there. And there was one picture which just blew my mind. Look at this. ये इतना प्यारा विला था एंड आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक यार मुझे यही चाहिए, ये मेरे लीसे से भी इतनी पास है. इट्स लाइक प्रॉपर विला लाइक you get it, proper villa. So I was very excited. So I wrote to this person, मेरे पास इस बंदे का मेल भी था, talking about the villa and how much I'm loving it and how convenient it will be for me to stay in the villa and go to work. It will be very convenient, but a big but. He was quoting 420 euros per month, and that was quite a lot because it was almost like more than 50% of what the assistants are going to earn. So I had the budget in my mind कि नहीं यार, I have to get in 250 या maximum 350 euro के अंदर. So that was my range, क्योंकि south of France is, I know it's like a tourist spot और वहाँ पे properties इतनी easily, इतनी सस्ती नहीं मिलती. And the apartment I was living in, it was the cheapest and the best location wise, और बहुत ही अच्छी डील मुझे मिल गई थी. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई जस्ट गॉट लकी या क्या, बिकॉज जितने भी लोग मेरे उस एरिया में रह रहे थे इन द टूलों पार्ट, दे वर ऑल पेइंग मोर देन व्हाट आई वाज पेइंग. सो दैट वाज, आई डोंट नो, it's kind of weird, but that was quite relieving कि I'm not paying that much and I could save extra and I could travel extra. Like the bar I set in my head कि मुझे इस रेंट से ज़्यादा नहीं पे करना, because अगर इससे ज़्यादा हुआ I'll be like living on the edge, which I did not want. So I tried to negotiate with him कि 420 से just come down to 350, कि अगर मैंने यहाँ तक का अगर रेंट ढूंढ लिया like maximum 350 euros per month, I'll be fine. and अगर काफ के benefits मिल जाए तो nothing like it. But बाकी की स्टोरी तो तुम्हें पता ही है, that काफ did not happen. And आया था for 2 months, काफ came in, so that was, I would consider that a bonus, क्योंकि अदरवाइज नहीं आया था. I'll make a separate video on काफ and all that. So इधर से मैंने इस बंदे को बोला कि प्लीज़ कम डाउन टू 350, एंड उधर से मैंने अपनी प्रोफेसर रेफरों को बोला कि प्लीज़ सेंड मी सम decent options, like my budget is this and please just try to send me those options ताकि मेरा भी सब कुछ easy हो. Because if you do the math, if you are paying 350 or even 400 euro, you practically you cannot live in France, because if you want you can just live on the edge, like groceries वगैरह लेके आना, because normally groceries for a month it comes up to 150 to 170 euros per month, like approximately. And then if you are paying 400 and then grocery मिला के अगर उसको round about करो 200, 600 हो गया, 600 euros. In those 200 euros you have to cover your transport expense, which can be your bus card, your train card, your cycle expense, renting a cycle, bicycle. So that also counts. And कभी-कभी you take random treats and थोड़ी बहुत shopping. After this situation, जो मैंने mails भेज लिए, हर जगह भेज लिया, and I literally exhausted all the options I had in my mind कि लबॉक हुआ, रूम लाला, इन सब जगह देख लिया था. फेसबुक पे भी काफ़ी ग्रुप्स में ट्राई मार लिया था, तो कुछ ग्रीन सिग्नल कहीं से आ नहीं रहा था. आई वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग, मतलब हवा में तीर मार रही थी लिटरली. So after exhausting all my options, I asked my professor referent to just send me an attestation saying that you will be accommodating me. So because in order to get your Schengen visa you need to submit a few documents, and attestation d'hébergement is one of them, which is the accommodation key attestation. So you need to have that, and in future also you will need that. But once you are in France you can figure out the options, और तुम्हें ना थोड़ा अलग तरीके से भी options मिलने लग जाते हैं. Like once you are introduced to other colleagues, maybe they can find some link, contacts के through निकल आते हैं options, बहुत बच्चों के निकलते हैं. So that is not a problem. So first we'll just solve this issue कि how to get your attestation d'hébergement. But keep in mind you have to find find your accommodation, and if you find it here while in your home country, that will be the best case scenario. That way you don't have to, you know, worry about once you land in France, because once you land, you already have a lot to, you know, customize yourself to and do a lot of documentation work in the first few days. It's totally better if you do it first hand before leaving for France. But if you cannot do that, like मेरे केस में नहीं था, and I had already talked to 2 people. एक तो मेरी टिफनी थी जिसके साथ I was staying, the couple I was staying with. So there was this one option, और मुझे उसी पे ज़्यादा chances लग रहे थे, the house I was living in. But I also had one more option in head, but उसमें मेरे को 20-30% लग रहा था कि I am not sure कि ये genuine बंदा है भी कि नहीं. And you know, you have to trust your gut feeling in these cases especially. So my professor Referon was kind enough to send me that attestation d'hébergement, and it was such a relief कि चलो ठीक है, my visa process तक I am sorted. But उस टाइम तक मैंने इतने हाथ पैर मारे कि सारे options exhaust हो गए थे. मेरे को तब ये attestation d'hébergement ही use करके मेरे को visa मिला था. But I had this plan in my head that once I go there, I'll meet Tiffany, I'll you know, have a look at her place. If I like it, if I find it convenient, I'll take that. And that place was for 300 euros per month, which was also in my budget. I was hoping कि मुझे 250 में मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल कर पाऊँगी, बहुत खुले खर्चे कर पाऊँगी. But ठीक है, लालच आ रहा था, but ठीक है, that is all part of the process. So I got my Toulon apartment in 300 euros per month, and I could save like 250 euros approximately every month. It was actually good amount of money to travel, because once you are in Europe, every city and country, it's like just so easily accessible, and it's not even expensive. And I'll make a separate video on how you can travel cheap while in Europe. So we'll get to that video, but this is how you can get your attestation d'hébergement issue sorted till visa at least. So once I reached there, you have seen the videos. I met Tiffany, and she showed me her house. I liked it. I booked that deal. I was like कि मुझे यही घर चाहिए. It had, you know, mountains और बहुत ही अच्छा था, and a cat, Jackass was the bonus. So that was all sorted. Meanwhile, I was trying other options as well. Like my professor Referon, she gave me the email of the ex-assistant. She replied like within 2 or 3 days, and although वहाँ से negative response आया, so I went with the Jackass one जिसमें Jackass था, and you know, I had my own room without any, you know, disturbance. I had my balcony attached to my room. Like it was everything I could even think of कि मुझे चाहिए. And living in Delhi, living in India, in the comfort of my parents' house, I know I use balcony and plants and access to plants and having plants, kitchen and cooking my own food so much. And I did not realize at that time कि ये सब मैं, it's like a part of my lifestyle. And luckily I just got the type of accommodation which was exactly suited for me, for my kind of lifestyle and my kind of personality. And you can obviously check out my Toulon vlogs, South of France vlogs, because I also did some road trips. Because in the first, one more thing that you can do is find a temporary place to live in for 2-3 days, which I did, because मेरे को Tiffany से मिलना था, and first day Tiffany के साथ मिलने का plan नहीं था. My situation was, before coming across this final option जिस घर में मैं रह रही थी in Toulon, उससे पहले I came across this option that for first 2 days, like once I reach Toulon, for the first 2 days I'll be living with 2 random these girls like I met on Facebook through one group, which I will share in the future. And that was pretty random. I got a reply from them, and they were like, we would love to host you for 2 days or 3 days maximum, because उनकी भी कुछ limit थी, कुछ plans थे, they had family gatherings and all that. So I was like, that would be more than enough, I can figure out. So once I reached there, first day it was like a, you know, settle down kind of day. Second day we went to this road trip to Barjol, जिसका मैंने properly vlog बनाया था. You can go watch it. I have a separate playlist for the South of France vlogs. यहाँ पे है, you can click that. While coming from the road trip, उसी रात को I went to Tiffany's place. I had everything packed up, and Tiffany's boyfriend Thomas came to pick me up, and rest is history, a beautiful history. So that is my accommodation story. And बहुत सारे किस्से बनेंगे अभी, बहुत सारा स्ट्रेस और बड़ा ड्रामा होएगा, बहुत मज़ा आएगा जो भी ड्रामा होएगा. सो जस्ट डोंट वरी, जस्ट रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ कि ठीक है अभी जो भी हो रहा है, मे बी आई लाफ एट माई सेल्फ 2 हफ्ते बाद when this problem is solved and everything. At each step ना, every time you will get a mail, you will be like panicking कि अच्छा what to do, how to do. So everything will be sorted in some or the other way. And if not, you can always come to my videos, especially assistant videos, leave your comment or DM me and we'll see, we'll figure it out together. Because हो जाएगा, इतना स्ट्रेस मत लेना. वैसे ही मतलब लाइक स्पेशली अभी करंट टाइम में यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. हम लोग लाइक वी एक्स असिस्टेंट्स, वी वर वेरी लकी. उस टाइम पे सिचुएशन वॉज not like today's situation, so I can totally understand कि what you all must be going through. Try and stay calm because जो भी problem होएगी solution मिलेगा. Okay, so just make sure the attestation de bergamo that you get is properly written, because जो मेरी प्रोफेसर रेफरों थी उसने बहुत ही नाइव तरीके से अपने हाथ से ऐसे लिख के दे दिया था एंड शी वाज लाइक कि ये चल जाएगा. तो आई वाज मेकिंग श्योर कि यार प्लीज़ जस्ट टाइप इट आउट सो दैट एक्सेप्ट हो वो वीज़ा ऑफिस में, क्योंकि आई नो वो थोड़े से होते हैं स्ट्रिक्ट एंड दे हैव टू बी. तो शी एश्योर्ड मी दैट वो चल जाएगा एंड वो चल गया. So just make sure your attestation de bergamo is sorted and you will figure out the rest. I'm sure you will figure out the rest. बहुत सारी stories बनेंगी. कोई situation होएगी, फिर कोई story बनेगी, and then you will be like sharing those stories with your friends and मम्मी पापा से थोड़े बहुत छुपा भी रहे होगे कि यार उनको टेंशन हो जाएगी. तो I know this whole एक proper scene बनता है दिमाग में. It's like a proper movie that you are going to enjoy. Shall we just wait for them to just... Okay, so just ignore the doggo's voice in my background because अभी इनका शुरू हुआ है और ये पूरी रात चलने वाला है. So if you found this video useful, कुछ सीखने को मिला in the free time that you have right now before you get your offer letters, arete denominación, this is what you can do once you start getting one by one mails. So just don't panic whenever you get your mail and start getting the mails one by one. और WhatsApp ग्रुप में भी कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है, पोस्टिलेशन करानी है नहीं करानी, क्या होता है. So just take one step at a time and one day at a time and you will be fine. Vous allez débrouiller. So I hope you loved this video, found this useful. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, leave your thoughts and comment down below in the comment section, and share this video with whomsoever you think should be watching this video and will find it useful. And I'll see you next time. Till then, you know what to do. Dream, hustle and explore. Bye bye.